You found a home in Solano County that needs work. The price is right, but it needs a new kitchen, updated bathrooms, or maybe a new roof. The FHA 203k loan lets you buy the home and finance the renovations in a single mortgage. Here is how it works. The FHA 203k combines the purchase price of the home plus the renovation budget into one loan. You make one monthly payment. You put down as little as 3.5% based on the total project amount, not just the purchase price. Here is what makes this powerful for Solano County buyers. Many homes in Vacaville, Fairfield, and surrounding areas were built in the 70s, 80s, and 90s. They are well located but need updating. A 203k loan lets you compete for these properties when other buyers walk away because they cannot afford both the purchase and the renovation. The renovation funds are held in an escrow account and released to the contractor in draws as work is completed. You do not get the cash directly. This protects both you and the lender. Not every lender does 203k loans well. As a wholesale broker, I work with lenders who specialize in renovation financing and have experience managing the draw process. Book a free buyer consultation. The link is in the description.